Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. This wig is from Sensational Latisha. I got the wig out. Look at the color. This is my third Latisha wig, you guys. Pre-plucked, fresh out of the box. You get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps to wear it glueless. You can definitely wear this glueless, fresh out of the pack, you guys. It's a 13x6 transparent HD lace. This hair is so soft. This is about to be a big synthetic wig. I already have 3 of the Latisha wigs, and so far each wig is very much eating. It comes pre-plucked, fresh out of the box. I did not touch this hairline at all, you guys. I love the color of this wig. It fits me. It's definitely giving Beyonce. Before you even install it, it's already eating. So when you install it, you know it's going to eat 10 out of 10. I'm cutting the ear tabs first. When you cut the ear tabs, do it super slow so you know that you cut enough, because if you cut way too much at first, there's no going back. Daddy grind, all my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm not in my bed, on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed, I might cook clean. Cut straight down the middle. Once you cut straight down the middle, you want to lift the lace up and start using the Kiss Laser Bind Spray Level 9. When you use this, your wig is going to be stuck like glue. I do 2 layers of the Kiss Laser Bind Spray. On a holy night, on a long back road, all the tears I fight, 16 carriages driving away, while I watch them ride with my fears away till the summer sunset on a holy night. Once you're done with the first layer of the lace spray, you want to blow dry it on a hot setting. So once it's tacky, you're going to do another layer of it. But I'm laying the lace down now, and as you can see, the lace is about to give scalp, which is a good thing. But pull it, make sure your wig cap is not showing. Take your comb and press the lace into your skin so you won't have no lifting. Your lace will also be melted at the same time. No matter what, when it comes to Latisha, that hairline is going to eat down, y'all. But once you're done working on the lace, you want to put your hair up in a ponytail. And this is how it's going to give extra melt, because I need all the hairs out of my face. Now I'm going to take the Kiss Lace Bind Spray. Spray it on top of the lace now. Don't miss this roll call as you hear a voice. Show up, show up, show up, show up, show up, show up. Nasty. I clean it up, but when nobody's been, have you ever had fun like this? As soon as you're done laying the lace down, you're gonna blow dry it on cold setting, so that way the whole entire wig will start being set. It's already getting melted before you even add any kind of spray to it. Take your melting band. This melting band comes pre-cut around the ears. No ear pain while melting your lace, which is the great thing, you guys. But keep this melting band on for at least 5 minutes. Or you can just blow dry it with the melting band on, but blow dry it on cold setting. Cut the lace off using your eyebrow razor. When you do this, you're going to lift it up just a little bit so that way you can start cutting the lace off. But when you do this, make sure you got all the extra lace off just in case, because you don't want too much lace.
As you can see, there's still too much lace, so you want to lift it up very little. Take your eyebrow eraser and cut that extra lace off, you guys, so it can melt easily. The Frontal Queen melting spray, you want to use a makeup brush so it can be easier to apply and be less messy. As you can see, like, where is the lace? The lace disappeared. Every single time you use this melting spray, it's going to melt right into your skin. Once you're done using the melting spray, you want to blow dry it on hot setting, so that way you know that you're going to melt it extremely. Then blow dry it on cold setting, but do not blow dry it on hot if you're using lace glue. Just blow dry it on cold setting. And this is the final results. Like, where is the lace? The lace is giving scalp. Use makeup on the lace so it can give melted even more, you guys, so it can match your skin tone and stop giving that ashy lace, you guys. Once you're done, you want to add some makeup inside your part also, but this is how you're gonna have big Latisha hair. You're going to fluff this out as soon as possible, but I'm gonna do my part first. I want a side part. Definitely had to get that side part look because I am a side part type of person, but this is giving scalp already. Once you're done fluffing, you want to take your unbrush and you want to brush the hair back, and then you want to do like a bang with your hand. And as you can see, it is getting bigger and bigger. Latisha is way bigger than this in real life. I'm telling y'all this right now. Now I'm going to define this part, you guys. Once you define the part, you're going to take your wax stick, a little bit of wax stick, and your hot comb. But you want to use your hot comb on the lowest so it won't actually be extremely flat, because I still want that full volume look. I'm going to take my brush again, do that bang once again. Look at my hair. This wig is very much tea. It is a synthetic wig from Sensational Latisha. Latisha never misses when it comes down to this fullness, y'all. I love the color of this wig. The wig is Fan by Aj Mocha. I definitely need the rest of the colors because this wig is very much tea. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you want your hair to be this full, you need to literally fluff it out, make it this big, because if not, the original curls is not gonna make it look this full at all, y'all. It takes heat very well. It comes pre-plucked fresh out of the box.